Hello everyone. So, if you've got an old motorcycle and you're trying to sync the carburetors, what I found out works pretty well is if you take both of them out and lay them side by side, and that way when you turn the throttle, you can watch the slides. And what you want to do is you want the slides to pull up at the exact same time. But as you can see, the left one's kind of pulling up first. So while you have them side by side, you can use these little adjusters right here. You turn them until they raise up the exact same time. Still too much. There we go. Like that. Now your cards are synced.